Hey, what's going on everybody? So we got quite a bit of traction on our last how-to video, so I figured I'd teach you how to use one of our most popular machines, the skid steer. And for today's demo, we're going to be using one of Rent One's most popular skid steers, the SSV65. Let's go. Before you use any of our machines, make sure to take pictures of the machines before the rental. You can see a video on how to do that in the top right. Skid steers are a versatile piece of heavy equipment and can be used for many different purposes. To dig up and fill trenches, load pickups, hoppers, and spreaders, grade and level driveways, or even simpler tasks such as brush cutting and snow removal. Safety is your first priority. When climbing into the cabin, be sure to always maintain 3 points of contact at all times to avoid slipping. Fasten your seatbelt and close the door if the vehicle is not an open cab. Before operating, make sure everyone on the site knows you're operating, and always be aware of your surroundings. First thing you want to do is start the machine. The starter switch is located on your right-hand side. Lower the armrest to unlock the hydraulic and electric systems of the vehicle. Once in place, disengage the hydraulic lock. The Kubota SSV65 has two operating modes, ISO and Standard, but today we're going to be focusing on just Standard. The skid steer has two separate motions for controlling the loader arm, the bucket tilt and the arm raise. The left pedal controls the lift arms, and the right controls the tilt of the bucket. Push the front of the left foot pedal down to lower the lift arms, and push the back of the foot pedal to lift the arms up. Likewise for the bucket motion, push the front of the foot pedal to lower the bucket tilt down, and the back of the pedal to raise the bucket tilt upwards. After some practice, you'll be able to cohesively combine these motions together and use the skid steer to its maximum effectiveness. Before moving the vehicle, ensure that both the arms and the bucket are raised considerably from the ground to avoid any unnecessary damage. To move forward, push both levers forwards. Controls are pressure sensitive, so pressing both levers further will cause the skid steer to move faster. To pivot turn the vehicle, have one lever in a neutral position and push the opposing lever forward. Of course, you can do this with both directions, both backwards and forwards. Here's an example. Unlike some of the other machinery, these vehicles are able to swivel turn in place, allowing the entire machine to turn while stationary. To do this, pull one lever backwards and push the other one forwards at an equal speed. This makes skid steers especially useful in tight spaces such as trenches or excavation holes. When switching out or equipping buckets for your skid steer, ensure the hitch lock pins are in an unlocked position, both facing straight up. Fix the hitch mounting plates so that they are slightly angled up, ready to hook onto the bucket saddle. Ease the machine forward until they fit in place, and raise the arms slightly. If the saddles are resting on the hitch mounts like so, go ahead and lock the hitch levers. You're all set and ready to work. Just make sure the bucket is fit in place and locked properly by tilting the bucket downwards. There should be no slack in between. If you're in need of any other help, we have a catalog of other help videos located right here. And if you have any other queries, don't hesitate to contact us through our social media handles. And that's it for this video. I'll see you in the next one.